Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to install CNN News Portal app on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Install CNN News Portal app on your Windows 10 computer. Go to Google Chrome browser and open CNN news portal, and then click on three dot icon on upper right corner, and here you will find save and share. Go to save and share and you will find an option install page as app. Just click on install page as app. Now look, you will find here CNN logo and the name of the app. You just give the name CNN. Now click on install. Look, the CNN app has been installed. If you want, you can pin this CNN app to your taskbar also. Just click here yes. Look, the CNN app also added to my taskbar. Okay, now close the app, and look, the CNN app is added on my desktop. Just double click on the app and look, the CNN news portal has been opened. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.